Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I'm here with another project share. So this is, I just showed you in the last scrapbook video, how I use this Sunburst by Creative Memories recipe template to make my layouts. So in this video, because I brought all the new ones that they have, plus I have an old one. This is one of the old ones that I use. Very simple, 3 photo, 2 horizontal and 1 vertical layout, simple. And then this is one of the newer ones, and this one is called Frame It Up. This is 12 by 12, and that's some of the examples of, if you use all the elements, what you can make it look like. You know, you just really, so easy. You can make so many different designs with it. It's totally your choice. So like they use half circles here, you can use a whole circle, and if you have the Creative Memories circle maker from back in the day, you can use that to make the circles, because I did find out those circles match. So I just used that, and I just continued with the same paper that I've been using, the Robots paper. Don't know the brand, but what I did here, I used one of my robots that I had already created on my Cricut, and I had in my stash. This Love You in XO, I believe it's a Maggie Holmes collection that I got from Tuesday Morning, the letters. But I use that template, and I'll show you. I'll lay it on top. Sorry about the noise for those who don't like the noise. So you have options with this template. Let me back up. The things that I like about these templates that I mentioned before is that you can rotate the template and get different looks. So you have 2 photos there. If you're rotating it, it totally looks different each time, you know. So you have options, you know, and then rotate it. And again, you can use some of the circles, all the circles. That's totally up to you. So in this one, I just laid it out simple, just like that. And that's how I traced my paper. And in fact, I even traced it with the lines, leaving the gaps in between it. So the next time I use this, I won't do it with the gaps, because I like to change it up every time I do it. This time I have a border. I only use 1 photo. Next time I might use 3 photos. So again, and I have another one too, but the frame is wider. So, you know, if you print your own pictures, it also helps too with these templates. Sometimes you can make your pictures fit those sizes for you. But anyway, so that's that laid over top of it. And I just simply made a quick, simple layout, not too complex, but you know, just add a little bit visual to it, and just add the little gold on it, since I had green in it, and a yellow mat, and my little robot. So that's the first page. Very simple, not too hard to do. And then the second one, even simpler. Very simple. I didn't even need the mat for that, but I used it. But you don't need the mat for that. You know how to lay pictures, but it just helps. And if you're matting pictures, it also can help, you know, to keep them in frame, to make things even, because sometimes I'm one of those people who stick things down and thinks it looks straight, and it's not. Those same gold hearts and cutie come from the same collection that gold set came from. So that thicker set, which I believe was a Maggie Holmes set, put a couple strips of washi here, and added it onto the robot, and that was that. Very simple, quick design, and bam, that layout is done. And I'm fine with that. So that's how you can scrapbook in a hurry if you need to, trying to, you know, catch up on some of these albums and get stuff that's backed up. And I think that was a nice, simple way to get both of those pages done. And of course, there's the B side of that paper, and I will show you some close-ups. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Alright, so then you can see where I inked the edges, and I traced it, and then I just cut it out. So inking edges really help when, you know, just in case you don't cut perfectly, which most people don't. Some people are better than others. And again, very simple layout. And very cute pictures of my grandson. And that is that. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing.